Hi, I'm Luke from Maverrik. You may remember me from such ads as the Social Selling Accelerator. And this one right now. If you haven't clicked skip right now, it means two things. You've either dropped your phone down the toilet, or you're engaging with this content. So, is your content getting lost in the fray? Are your calls to action going straight to voicemail? Do you suck at sales copy? We probably see hundreds of adverts, articles, and LinkedIn messages a day. And more often than not, that's not a good thing. Content marketing isn't just for social media managers, millennials, and people who can stay up past their bedtime. Anyone can use content marketing to draw on an audience and convert that into a sale. Which is why we want to show you how to write killer content that converts for free! That's right, we're offering content training for absolutely free. And I no longer have to read any more awful articles. It's a win-win. This live training session will redefine your approach to content in the future. Need to stand out? We'll show you. Struggle with sales copy? We'll show you. Need to create impactful content? We'll show you. We'll teach you how to leverage your audience's pain points to create a compelling proposition that they'll listen to, engage with, and most importantly, buy. So what are you watching me babble on for? Register now, it's free training. Your video will be there when you get back.